Here are two wooden Tailor clappers. They are used for when you're making quilts. You iron and steam the seams, and then you press this onto the seam, and the heat from the steam gets absorbed by the wood, and apparently it will cause the seam to lay flat. Used for quilting and other tailor work. Made this out of, started with like 2-inch maple, cut it down until it's flat on both sides. And looking at the ridges here, it's not smooth, but I used the IDC Woodcrafts, the hog bit, without any sanding, so it's got a nice grip. It cut a lot better than I thought it would. Yeah, this is part of the other piece of wood I was making a couple nights ago.